Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create a subdomain if you have purchased your domain from namecheap.com. So let's begin the video. First of all, if you don't know what is a subdomain, basically a subdomain is a part of your main domain. So let's say your main domain is wasaybakers.com. Your subdomain may be blog.wasaybakers.com or shop.wasaybakers.com or anything like this, like support.wasaybakers.com. So if you want to have different sections of content, then you can use a subdomain. Like your main domain has a different purpose, and the blog.wasaybakers will mainly be used for blog, and also you can use it for SEO and analytics, etc. So these are multiple use cases why you want to use a subdomain. And in Namecheap, it is pretty easy to make a subdomain. All you need to know is to know the IP address if you have hosted your website on other server. But if you have purchased the web hosting from Namecheap, all you need to do is to go to the control panel and know the machine IP address of your machine. Anyways, now let me show you how you can add a subdomain to your main domain. First of all, open namecheap.com and sign into your Namecheap account. Once signed in, on the left, click on domain list. From here, select your domain for which you want to create a subdomain. Click on manage. Now here under name servers, you need to select Namecheap basic DNS. Now we are going to click on advanced DNS. Here you will see host records section. Here I have some records, so you're going to click on add new record. Select our record. In host, you're going to type whatever your subdomain will be. Like if you want blog.yourdomain.com, you will type blog. If you want info or shop, you're going to write accordingly. Now you need to enter the IP address where your website is hosted. Again, if it is on a VPS or some other server, enter that IP address. If the web hosting is from Namecheap, you can simply go to the hosting section, go to cPanel, and you will find your IP address. TTL will be automatic, and click on save changes. And that's it, your subdomain is added onto your main domain in Namecheap. Now you have to wait between 1 hour to 24 hours for the changes to reflect. After some time, you can go to this website, which is dnschecker.org, and it will let you know if your subdomain is identified on the web or not. So I'm going to type my subdomain, which is shop.talentpickai.com, and I am going to click on search. So currently you can see it is not detected because I have just added it. I will try again after a few minutes. Now you can see my subdomain is being detected, so it means it is working correctly. So for the subdomain, you can see the IP address as well, which we entered. So yeah guys, in this way you can add a subdomain for your main domain if you bought it from namecheap.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe